First, we take poppy seeds, mustard seeds and celery seeds and add hot water and make it into a fine paste in a food processor. Then in a hot kadai, we add vegetable oil and add the bodies and fry them until they are golden brown and keep them aside for later. Now in the same oil, we will add ghee and we will fry our bitter gourds. Fry them until they turn into a darker shade of green, and then we can take them off the pan and keep it for later. After that, in the same oil, we will add bay leaf and then the Bengali 5 spices and extra bit of celery seeds because we want that flavor dominate in our gravy. Once the spices have crackled, we will add the vegetables and keep frying them on medium heat. Remember not to fry the vegetables on higher heat as they are of different cuts and sizes and they will burn along with the spices. After frying the vegetables for about 2 minutes, we will add ginger paste. Next, we will add sugar to this so that we can balance out the flavor and get a mellower taste. Then we will add 1.5 cups of water to this so that we can cook our vegetables through. Now as the water starts to bubble, we will add back our bittergourds and bori. And then we will add salt to your preferred taste. Once it comes to a boil, we will reduce the heat and cover the vessel and cook. Until then, join me as we discover the history of this dish. Teto, meaning bitter in Bengali cuisine, plays a unique role in the culinary landscape. It is a crucial component of traditional Bengali meal, particularly exemplified with a dish known as Shukto. This dish, often considered the quintessential Bengali spread starter, incorporates various naturally bitter greens such as Bittergourd, neem and drumsticks, all valued for their medicinal properties. Bengali cuisine's emphasis on teto reflects a scientific approach, recognizing the palate cleansing and health benefits of bitterness. Shukto, a stewed curry, is not just a dish but a category of such curries designed to be the first course, rich in fiber and nutrients, preparing the taste buds for subsequent highly seasoned courses. Shukto's root can be traced back to Ayurveda, where the consumption of bitter foods has been considered a dietary practice with medicinal benefits. Historical mentions of Shukto can be found in Mangal Kavya, connecting it to figures like Sri Chaitanya and the Bhakti movement during the Middle Ages. The dish was particularly appreciated for cooling properties in the hot and humid climates of ancient Bengal. In one Mangal Kavya, Lord Shiva even requests the deity of plenty, goddess Annapurna, to prepare Shukto for him. We are back and the vegetables has been cooking for 15 minutes. You can clearly see the vegetables are done. Now we will add the spice mixture we had made earlier and add to the gravy. Cook the mixture until the raw flavor of the spices goes away, and then we'll reduce the heat and add a cup of milk. Remember not to add the milk when the gravy is boiling or it will split. You can see here the milk is not split and it's boiling away. This is the perfect consistency you need. Switch off the heat and we will add a dollop of ghee to it and we are done.
Hi guys, look, Shukto. You can see the vibrant vegetables and the spices, and I'm going to taste it right now. Okay, so I have rice over here, white rice, and I will take some tasty Shukto. And with these vegetables. Refreshing. Vegetables are tender and fresh, and the mustard and the celery seeds really taste it, and the ghee flavor is also very prevalent in the gravy. So guys, the recipe will be in the description box below, and we at Radha Rosmita is all about inspiring others to cook. So if you liked our video, let us know in the comments below, and until next time, thank you.